And then he goes on another place, he explains that insan, we are simply, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created things. How has he created things? He has created things, the basit. So basit and murakkab. Basit means raw products, individual products. And murakkab is so Allah has created all the basit products for us. Now our job is to tarkeeb. So all we are murakkibat, we are murakkibun. We're not mujid, we're murakkib. We give tarkeeb to things. So we don't create the roti, we just do tarkeeb of the roti. We don't create a laptop, we just do tarkeeb of the ajza that Allah has created. Are you following? We just do tarkeeb of one of these. You following? And then he mentioned a little point. Now what if somebody has the ishkal? Now why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not give us the murakkab form itself? Yes? So he goes, that is dalil. What happened to Banu Israel? When they were the Wadi, they got tired. Mana Salma. So Allah gave them it kind of form. The basit and murakkab. The murakkab is ready. They got bored. And he goes, this insan fitra. What comes in Mishkat, the hadith towards the end. He goes, I don't know which book is from, but say Mishkat is mentioned that what? Now in Jannah, one person will say, oh Allah, the Prophet in the hadith, and he said that, oh Allah, can I farm? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed him to farm in Jannah. And the Prophet laughed and said, he must be either from the Ansar or he might be a farmer. So here, even in Jannah, if you have the murakkab in front of you, وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَا تَشْتَهِي أَنفُسُكُمْ وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَا تَدَّعُونَ. And some riwayat said, if you want to, you can get everything what you want, but even then you'll have ijtihad to do farming. So the insan's tabi'ah is that he likes doing things himself. And that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for our faidah, He made the things basit, not murakkab. So we can then create it as we want. It's not going to get bored of it. You can have this kind of roti, how much ever sugar you want, how much ever salt you want. You can have roti, you can have paratha. What else you can have? You can have naan. So the flour is basit. The water is basit. The flour, the sugar and the salt is basit. And then you tarkeeb yourself. Okay, if it was murakkab, and I give it to us, we'd have got bored. So in these things, he goes on all these little bits and bobs, he explains things very, the Quranic verses very beautifully. So a few tafsir in Nuqat, he mentioned that bayan.